increases elasticity of the spinal cord. It is considered to be excellent for the heart.
Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend. There are many benefits of this posture. The main and the most obvious one is to provide a complete stretch of the entire backside of the body from the back of the head through the heels.
Ugrasana or the ferocious pose increases the blood supply to the brain and balances the nervous system.
Ustrasana or the camel pose adds flexibility and strength to the body and also helps in improving digestion.
The second common part of the day looks amazingly incredible. Well done, my dear little yogis.
Last but not the least, we present before you the Surya Namaskar, also known in English as sun salutation. It is a common sequence of asana. This sequence of movements and asana can be practiced on varying levels of awareness, ranging from that of physical exercise in various styles to a complete sadhana which incorporates asana, pranayam, mantra and chakra meditation. It is often the beginning vinyasa within a longer yoga series.
Kudos to the moldable, flexible yogis of DPST. Ladies and gentlemen, these youngsters are conveying a strong message to all. Practice yoga and stay healthy and fit. Thank you, my little friends. And now, parents, here come forward our little gymnasts together with the yogis will display another set of pyramid combo, the Yogi Gymnast Combo Bag.
Yes.
That is a magnificently superb pyramid. And while this display is going on, what do we see at the back? The letters DPST standing up high in the air. These letters not just symbolize a school name, Delhi Public School copy. They are an epitome of quality education and convey the message, service before self.
Indeed, a marvelously magnificent show. Well done, DPSC young gymnasts and yogis. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause.
Karate is a martial art developed in the Ryukyu Island in what is now Okinawa, Japan. It was developed partially from the indigenous martial art of Ryukyu Island and from Chinese Kenpo. Karate is a striking art using punching, kicking, knee strikes, elbow strikes and open hand techniques such as knife hands, spear hands and palm heel strikes. In some styles, grappling, throws, joint locks, restraints and vital points strikes are also taught. A karate practitioner is called a karateka.
Seiza. It is a basic kneeling position used at the beginning and the end of martial arts classes and is associated with growing in respect for teachers and other students.
Basics. This is an art form that involves the mind and spirit as much as the body. All three must develop simultaneously for the practitioner to truly master the sport. While the body must remember how to move, the mind in turn must remember how to be still.
And now we have before you the various stretching and weightlifting moves of karate.
Kata originally were teaching and training methods by which successful combat techniques were preserved and passed on. Practicing kata allowed a company of persons to engage in a struggle using a systematic approach rather than as individuals in a disorderly way.
Self-defense is a countermeasure that involves defending oneself, one's property, or the well-being of another from harm. The psychological wealth of mastering self-defense techniques is in knowing that you have whatever it takes to defend yourself whenever it is necessary, which brings a feeling of confidence and peace of mind. Our young karatekas are now displaying how to defend an attack.
Through karate, as you accomplish new goals, your confidence level increases. Karate instills a sense of discipline and self-confidence that can carry over to all aspects of life. Showcasing before you is a 4-man attack drill to karate. Individual self-defense is one of the 4 principles of karate. Although karate is a self-defense sport in itself, it focuses on high and spinning kicks, which are not very suitable for real-life application. Self-defense is a mixture of all kinds of techniques, including grappling, locks, as well as defending against arm attacker, etc. Presenting before you is this individual self-defense form of karate.
Breaking is a martial arts technique that is used in competition, demonstration, and testing. Breaking is an action where a martial artist uses a striking surface to break one or more objects using the skills honed in. Wow, that was great!
at play. Also, a child's body needs to be exercised as much as the mind. We ensure that this happens in a systematic way and in a supervised environment. Bhavya, can you guess what I am referring to?
I know, Yojit. You are indeed referring to our upcoming sports complex.
Well said, Bhavya. Our VPST Sports Complex, which is coming up very nicely, will be well equipped to deal with the boundless energy of our school. It will soon be a place for pride for all our sports persons, and all of us are eagerly waiting for its completion.
Yes, Yojit. We are very excited to see our sports complex building up so well. Well, we will surely make use of our sports complex and reach the peak of physical fitness and achieve our sporting aims. Now, we hand over the mics to Sanskriti Burman and Khushi Shah for the next set of announcements. Thank you, Bhavya and Yojit. A pleasant morning to one and all. I, Sanskriti Burman, and I, Khushi Shah, will now guide you through the remaining programs of the day. We once again extend you a warm welcome to the DPST legends of the sports arena. We have now reached the climax, the most anxious moment of the day. Any guesses? Well, it is none other than the individual races. A sportswoman who has made India proud with her glorious achievements. Mary Kom is a boxer, the only Indian woman boxer who managed to qualify for the 2012 Summer Olympics, where she also won a bronze medal. She is best known for being a 5-time world amateur boxing champion, a feat that definitely makes her one of the best ever women boxers world has ever produced. Mary Kom was decorated with the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor in 2010 for her contributions to sports. And now, you will see a practical demo of boxing where in our tiny tots will run forward, show how boxing is done and race to the finish line. The first category is Mary Kom race for pre-nursery A boys, and the participants are Jay Randeria, Harshit Ninnabe, Shaurya Joshi. Best of luck, boys. Has been associated with Indian athletics since 1979. She is regarded as one of the greatest athletes India has ever produced and is often called the Queen of Indian track and field. She is nicknamed the Payoli Express. Today, our pre-nursery teeny weenies are dedicating this race to PT Usha by running along the 50-meter track. Here comes before you the PT Usha race for pre-nursery A girls. And the participants are Vyoma Vakhani, Hanishka Joshi, Myara Malik and Rena Vanani.
Come on, quickly! Pick it up! Come on, our tiny tots! Run to the finish line!
Sir.
Good running, all of you! Great going, our pre-nursery children! Parents, please keep cheering them! That was great! We now proceed with the nursery class races. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player who is widely considered as the greatest field hockey player of all time. Dhyan Chand is the most remembered for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats. In addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in field hockey during an era where India was the most dominant team in hockey. Known as the Wizard for his superb ball control, Dhyan Chand played his final international match in 1948, having scored more than 400 goals during his international career. And here we have before you our dip side following his footsteps and running ahead with hockey sticks in their hand. The category is Dhyan Chand race for nursery A and B girls. And the participants are Gitika Nair, Arya Pawar, Aisha Janu Hassan, Jia Dudhwala and Debasi Masumdar. Best of luck girls, give it your best. Run with the hockey sticks. Come on, again. Come on, dribble the ball. That's it, good, good. Take it to the goal. Don't change your track. And shoot.
The next category is Dhyan Chand race for nursery A boys, and the participants are Sneh Mishra, Man Jain, Mohammad Umair Chiniwala, Amir Godil and Ayman Wakawala. Best of luck boys.
All the best.
Take it to the finish line. You have nice ball control. And goal.
Keep it up, boys. Coming up is Dhyan Chand race for nursery B boys, and the participants are Sayan Ghosh, Rudra Sajitra, Dhyan Tamakuwala, Dhyer Patel, Ishan Kulkarni, and Kirtan Sarvaiya. All the best, boys. Run to the ball. Faster. Take the ball. Control it, come on.
Abhinav Bindra is an Indian shooter and is a world and Olympic champion in the 10-meter air rifle event. He became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games in the 10-meter air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games. The next race coming up is Abhinav Bindra race, wherein our shooters will run forward and target their aim and race along the finish line. Abhinav Bindra race for nursery A and B girls, and the participants are Ira Bhanwaria, Trisha Naikar, Harishri Patel, Jeel Patel and Navya Jani. Best of luck, girls. Another round of Abhinav Bindra race for nursery A boys, and the participants are Hitat Patel, Kautilya Modi, Dheya Patel, Vedant Desai and Navaj Jani. The last round of Abhinav Bindra race for nursery B boys, and the participants are Soham Sambhare, Humza Sheikh, Sarthak Singhal, Ayan Chandwani and Aryan Patel. All the best. That was great racing. Karnam Maleshwari is an Indian weightlifter. During her 10 years career, she has won 11 gold and 3 silver medals besides the prestigious Olympic bronze. She has been the national champion for 9 years. She is the recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sporting honor for the year 1995 to 1996. She is also a recipient of the civilian honor Padma Shri in 1999. Maleshwari is awarded the Arjuna Award in 1994, India's second highest award in sports. Coming up before you, parents, are our weightlifters for the day. The category is Karnam Maleshwari race for nursery A and B girls, and the participants are Niyati Goplani, Arna Gadhiya, Dhun Dhamelia, Jia Gohil, Sia Vithlani and Kinjan Tahilyani. All the best, girls. You have to lift the weight and do 10 times up and down, up and down. Come on, show your Come on, again. Run. Back up.
Bubbly bub. Let's go.
Fast, finish the race. Complete it. Keep it up. One more round of Karnam Maleshwari race for Nursery A boys. And the participants are Vihan Shah, Jay Jariwala and Arnish Wakawala. Are you ready for the weightlifting? The weight up and down. 10 times. Go on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you go.
Sir,
Bubbly bub. Let's go.
Ashish, you be there in front.
Next comes the last round of Karnam Maleshwari race for Nursery B boys, and the participants are Aryesh Mehta, Neet Chaklashia, Usman Lagaria, Ayush Maheta, Max Nichani. Give it your best, boys.
Bubbly bub. Let's go.
Great run.
With this,
Parents are requested to keep cheering their children. They are showing their great strength and stamina today. So please keep applauding them.